see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause but at some point we miss a right sugar. And when we fight, no one wants to start. And as time goes by, I wonder
Take off the bed.
can we reverse the fall? Can we go back?
Good morning, guys. Sobrang comfortable nitong bed namin. Good morning. It is what, honey? Today is March 26. Nakakasilaw lang kasi yung ano. Tingnan nyo yan, oh.
What's wrong, Jack? What's wrong?
Dyan. Kaya nagising na ako dahil dyan.
Oh, she'll get stuck up there if you are.
Maganda pag gabi kasi pero yung mag-start
Jack,
gising.
where you going, mate? Alright.
Morning, Zach.
It's a bit chilly out there, but the sun's come up. Ooh.
Zach, where's your jumper, Zach?
Holly, be careful. Turn around.
Get your jumper.
Go to TJ. Get TJ, get you down. Quick, hurry up. Good girl. It's your brother, he loves you. Oh, Tyrone.
Bring it here, Kuya.
Wipe your feet, mate. Just wipe your feet with your other feet to get them up. Steal stuff off you.
Yeah.
Are you doing the blind?
Yeah, open the blinds.
You don't put the blind like that.
What's he done?
Oh, you put the screen one on. I flip it.
Now, don't go wrecking it because they're very flimsy, so...
I can't get up here.
Yeah, I know, she's a bit... How do you sleep, Zach?
How's
Good?
your bed?
Good, Zach? You won't need to jump on long, but...
Yeah, but
You got the way, do you?
I do.
Oh, let's put up here.
Look, aeroplane, look, Lily. Look.
Yeah, after hindi nyo makita guys. Oh, sila ni Zach. Say good morning. Not yet. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Not yet, Baba. Don't change yet.
Same way you got up, mate. Just turn around, go
Baba,
backwards.
stop walking on the floor because it's dirty.
Yeah, is it, mate?
Kailangan hugasan yung ano floor. Kasi, ano
Shut the door properly.
maalikabok ba? So, pag nakapaa ka, ang itim-itim ng paa mo pag...
I didn't go up the ladder.
You're right, just put your foot around.
How's your bed, yeah? How's your bed?
I'm up top. Can't get out.
How's your bed?
Good. I'm getting changed. Turn it off, please. I want to get changed.
Just be gentle with cupboards and bags and, you know, just be gentle.
Because I want to go in the jumping.
I know.
Oh, yun. Kaya gusto niya
Where's your
mag-change.
clothes?
Oh, I thought it was
It's in the yellow bag, suitcase, yeah.
Man.
Get it out, Dad. I'm going to wear the same clothes where I went.
No.
No.
No, Baba, because that was dirty. Remember I wiped your feet with that one? When we were in the bathroom?
Is it cold?
No one's there yet. It's too
Use
early.
the handle, don't just pull it. Thank you.
Is it cold?
What are you doing, Jack?
Cold on the ground.
Oh, don't go put your feet on there, remember?
Well, I'm fine.
It doesn't matter. Just don't put your feet on there, mate.
On where?
Very
Your
strict
feet stays on
sister.
the ground, your bum goes on that, not your feet.
Very strict sister dito sa Caravan.
And you've got to fold up all your towels and make your beds.
Yep. Make your best. Stop walking, I said, on with your...
Come here,
Without-
sugar woogers.
Without sleeping. Nag-ready na siya. Gusto niya maglaro na sa labas. Okay. Open na. Yeah.
I'm sure I'm gonna break it.
You just push it down, Baba. It's alright. Push it down.
Scared.
Why are you scared? See? It's not scary. Good morning, neighbors. Okay, close the door. See ya. Mag-edit ako. Kagabi hindi ako pina-work ni sir. Sabi ni sir, kukunin ko sana yung computer. Sabi niya, no. put your computer down and shut your eyes. Yun talaga yung sinabi niya sa akin. So, hindi tayo nakapag-edit. Kaya wala tayong vlog ngayon. Kung pina-edit tayo ni Sir, may vlog sana tayo ngayong umaga kaso wala. So, ngayon na ako mag-edit. Pero sana matapos ko. Alis kami maya-maya. Sana matapos ko. So, yeah, edit tayo, guys.
You got that card to invite?
The what?
Card.
Card. Ah. Alright. Ako din punta ko ng bathroom. Toilet doon. May toilet kami dito, di ba? Pero hindi namin yan gagamitin. Kasi meron namang toilet dito sa Caravan Park. Pag wala talaga, yun. Doon namin siya gagamitin. Kasi ikaw din maglilinis. Maglilinis ng ano mo dyan. Bagay-bagay. So, mag-toilet din ako. Toilet muna tayo. Binalikan ko kayo. Kasi isasama ko kayo. Kasi nakita ko yung mga bata. Andun sila, guys. Naglalaro. Basta yung grass. Tulog pa yung mga kasama namin sila, Kylie. Tulog pa sila. Ayun sila, oh. Paggabi, ano, fina-flat nila yan. Kuya, what do you call that one? Pillow? Jumping pillow. Yeah, jumping. Ayan sila, okay. Tapos yung bathroom, andito lang naman. Tapos ayun yung aming caravan. So, hindi naman malayo. Diyan yung, hindi ko napakita sa inyo kasi ang daming tao. Yan yung bathroom toilet ng pambabae. Tapos yung panlalaki dun sa kabila. And ito yung itsura dito, guys. Oh. Daming nagka-camping at saka nasa caravan. Tapos dito may sampayan. Oo, pwede ka magsampay dyan. Kasi merong ano dito, laundry mat. Merong laundry mat dyan. And ayan yung water park. Katapat lang namin yung water park ngayon. Kaya masaya sila. Pero ang lamig naman para mag water park ngayon. Dito na sila. Baba, we have to bring your ano tongs. Yeah, me too. Wala tayong tongs. Honey, you're gonna wreck your shoes.
Yeah.
Why do you have the same number?
Don't like give us a gift.
I-make up muna natin tong bed. Bunks. Okay. So mamaya mag-dinner kami. Kikitain namin yung mga girls and boys. So ito yung susuting ko. Si Isol. Si Isol to, guys. And ito kay Holy Girl. Sa kanya. So, ayusin muna natin itong bed.
What you hiding from me? What you holding back? I think I saw you with another. I think I saw your hand slipping down. That look, that face smiling back at you. Is why you always wanna be around her, be around her. Now I've come to terms over you, and I
Can we undo the blinds?
Okay.
Can we undo the
Yeah,
blinds?
There should be one more towel.
Tea.
No, that's Holly's. Where's Mum's?
Dad, can I undo these?
Yeah.
Honey, can you
Two at a
give me
time,
pillow,
mate.
please, son? But give me the pillows. There's the towel there.
Dad. Dad.
Zach?
Yeah.
There you go. Just pick those bits, couple bits of grass up there, throw it aside.
Ayan na yung aming bed. Yung mga bata, inayos din nila yung sa kanila.
Slowly. Nice and slow. That's it.
Ah,
That's some light in here.
Hot.
Yeah, it's hot now in here.
kasi nakaon
It's
pa
gotta
yung
get hot,
kita
that's
namin.
why.
There's more people
That
on the
worked
job.
wicked.
Yeah, I know.
We're not
These
going
are
on
very
there,
nice.
TJ.
Kita
What?
namin.
There's
Sabi,
girls
Papa,
that told us not to run.
Who?
don't care.
These girls told us not to run.
Don't care.
Because there's a little
What do you mean you don't care? You have to
Oh, yeah.
follow the rules here, TJ.
No, we're allowed to run. They're telling us not to. And I'm like, can run if we want. Not the boss of the pillow. Started yelling at Kobe, come here. Started going off.
Who's
I'm
the
like,
lady?
no, it was like 2 girls on there.
Little, what? Teenager?
One with orange hair,
Yeah,
one with
12.
curly hair.
Oh,
I started
so
going, can't tell us what to do. Started yelling at Kobe, come here. So like, come on, let's go. Well, that's what I thought. Yeah, it's gonna
Fighting.
Get your clothes now, Dad. Si Jim, pinipit niya lahat
Look.
ng...
Try to get off grass.
That's from Holly's Clippers. Pinipit niya yung mga grass. Wala pa kasi kaming broom.
Your little brains, right?
Yeah.
Dad,
No, we have
this-
at home, man.
No, yeah.
Dad,
Yeah, what we've got at home, we need stuff for the caravan.
Dad,
Can you get my camera, please, Dad?
No, they can stay because we've got people just there.
Give me the camera, please.
what about ours?
What?
Ours are
It's alright.
Oh, they can
Yeah.
stay there for now.
Natanggal na niyo dyan yung mga kalat dyan. Yung towels and yung damit mga bata nandun sa gilid. Kuya, can you grab all your clothes and put it in the laundry bag?
This is all yours.
Yeah, it's still asleep.
Oh, that's sweet.
Okay na. Thank you.
Lucky I chose it.
Hmm. I choose that. You want gray.
Get stained.
Si Jan
in
gusto
the
niya.
window.
Gray and gray yung
no.
cabinet. You want gray cabinet and white
I'm gonna
table.
polish all these
Why are you gonna polish it?
just to put a thing on it so when you wipe
Is there
it, it
any
comes straight off.
glasses?
Ah,
Is there
okay.
any glasses in
Spray
it?
all that with stuff.
Is that all glasses? Is there glass?
No, it's not
No,
glass.
there's nothing in there.
Nothing.
So it's not a hotel.
We've got to put everything in here. Well, we haven't got nothing yet because we're just staying there and then we'll do everything when we get home.
That's right.
Have you won in there, Caravan, before? Yeah? What Kobe's bed look like?
Same as yours.
No, it isn't.
A little bit different.
Zach.
Is it the same stripes? What colour?
They've got grey.
Mm-hmm. Can you check if there is the glass, the round glass for the microwave in that packet?
Put it in there, didn't we? Yeah.
Oh. Lucky didn't break. Kasi dapat tanggalin niya.
No, it just cruised.
How come you have to put it in there?
So it won't break.
Everything, when we leave, we have to take TV down, make sure everything in the cupboards is all closed, everything's secure because it's rocking in the car and it'll smash.
Zach, can you put it back, please?
Can you
I didn't say that.
please?
What? That what? That's our pantry.
Daddy,
Yeah. Well, how about me?
we're watching kids show.
Alright. I'm gonna edit anyway. Edit na ako, guys. Edit na tayo, guys. Kompleto ang The Family. Tulog pa yung aming kapitbahay. Nag-sleep in sila, guys. Kainin ni Kuya yung yung chicken.
Yeah, but what's that for?
That's a filter one. So, wash your hands! Ay, nako.
Who is that?
Us. Wash your hands, please. Nag-order ako sa IKEA online. Okay.
Oh, this is
Para pick upin. Ito ba?
See
Yung drawer. Siya. Drawer mat. And then, nag-order din ako. Mamaya ipakita ko sa inyo mga in-order ko. Dalawa lang naman to, guys. Dalawang klase. May plastic pa pala, guys, yung door namin. O, tinatanggal na ninja. Sabi niya, hindi niya makita. Ang blurry daw sa labas. Yan pa, may plastic pa. Gising na sila, Joe. Diba kanina sabi ko sa iyo, nag-order ako sa IKEA. Tapos chinek ko yung oras, tapos pinacheck ko lang kay Jan. Ang pick up is 5 o'clock to 9. ngayon or bukas na 9 to 5. Hindi pwede pareho kasi 5 o'clock punta kami ng city kasi may dinner kami with the girls sa birthday ni Kat. And then, bukas hindi kami pwede mag-IKEA kasi dala-dala namin yung caravan. So, sabi ni Jan, kami na lang daw ni Kailan punta sa caravan. Punta sa IKEA, ang dalawa. Tapos, yung mga bata, si Jan at si John kasi magsiswimming sila. Sabi ko, okay. Para makatingin-tingin pa tayo ng iba. Okay, continue editing tayo, guys. Alis tayo, guys. Punta tayo sa... Pinunta na namin to before nung nagpili kami ng interior. Pero hindi ko pa nga na-upload yung vlog na yun, guys. Pero ayan, makikita nyo na yung caravan. Hindi nyo nakita yung pagpili ng interior. Pero i-upload ko pa rin yung kasi nandoon yung nag-shopping din kami para sa mga bata. And the girl na bastos. So, punta kayo doon kasi bili tayo ng... oh, it's so hot. Bili tayo ng camping chairs. Si Jan meron na. Ako, tsaka yung mga bata. Yung dalawang boys wala. Yes, please, hon. It's too hot.
Mom's getting,
Do you want yours on, boys?
And punta tayo ng IKEA din.
Just put that on.
Nauna na pala yung mga kasama ko dito sa Anaconda. Nag-toilet lang tayo, guys. Ayan. Nandiyan na sila sa loob. Dito sila, oh. You found yours, son? Huh? TJ, which one you choose? Sak.
I got this.
Yuck, I don't like that color, Sak.
My dad let me get it.
Honey,
Mom,
I don't like that color.
look,
Which one is yours?
that blue one up there.
On top?
Yeah.
Sak, I don't like
Dad
that.
said I can, so I can.
Mom, let him have it.
No, I don't like it, Sak.
No, you get your own deck chair.
I don't like the color.
Oh, this one.
No, have this one. I like that one, Sak.
Nah, it's not for you, it's for him.
Mine.
Yeah.
Sak, this is no.
Bye.
Ay, maganda yung kay Kuya. Yes, I like that, yeah. I like the blue one better.
The dotty one.
Dotty one. What dotty one?
Sophie had.
Oh.
Why don't you get like soccer, TJ?
This one, no, this one better.
I know.
Do you really like that, Zach? Hmm?
Would you rather get me a Spider-Man one?
No.
Hey. This one. There's nothing else. I wanted the bigger one of this style.
No. Ikaw na talaga. Do you wanna be an army?
No.
Because that's for the army.
This is two.
Huh? Army?
Army chair.
Armchair.
Armchair.
That's for...
No, we don't need inside hand.
Dad, we've already got some.
Too much. We have too much.
When you sleep and when it's hot, you can just put your fan on.
We have aircon, huh? Why would you put that?
Just in case you don't.
No.
Yeah, what?
Mom, it's here.
Huh?
You want me to choose a different one?
Yes, please.
No.
Wala. Yan talaga. Yan talaga ang gusto niya, guys. At pinayagan din siya ng daddy niya. How about this one, Zach?
Oh yeah! I remember this one. Go sit on it. I can just lie down on it. I can just lie on this
Yeah.
I've got to go out and get first aid kit.
That's right. We need that first aid kit. Come on, Zach. Change that one.
one. No, to get this one.
Where's the chair?
That's too big.
Zach, where's the chair? Like that.
Si Kuya, gusto ko yung nakuha ni Kuya.
Can we go?
Just having a fan on.
Outside as well? Alright, it's up to you, hon. Gusto niya ng fun. What?
Jack's gonna get one of them and then one of them army drink bottles.
Next time daw, ayan na lang kunin ni Zach tsaka yung army bottle. Hanap si Jan ng first aid kit. Ah, dito pala. Here. Here.
A bit of stuff here, there.
Yeah, okay.
Band-aids, bit of that,
Yeah.
just something.
Yeah.
Why do we need
Oh, yeah.
that?
Bigger one. Yeah, meron pala mas malaki.
That's got the...
Yeah, that one, hon. That's better.
That's the caravan one.
Yeah. Is that?
Yeah, look at the
Watch
front.
out the road, people walking through. Yeah. Watch out.
That's Joey. So, itong kunin natin yung mas malaki.
Who was
For
it?
emergency. Sana wag natin to magamit. Gusto na itong
No,
sandbag.
I'm getting a roller. That's all what I want.
Yeah, I want a roller. Yeah, this. One for each person.
That's right, put in the van.
Okay, here. You need.
We need two.
Here. Holly has it.
How many's in there? 2. There's only
There's
2
2
in there.
packs. No, look. Can't you
Oh,
read?
2 packs.
So,
Pack.
Yeah, of what? 3.
Then of 4.
Oh, 4. There's 2.
Okay.
What'll open here?
okay, that's it, Baba. We're good.
Look
Come
up,
on.
up here.
Wait, what
You hold
colours
it.
are? I'm orange. Orange.
Alright.
It's orange.
Colorful talaga to. Colorful sa kanya talaga. Gusto niya siya yung nakikita.
What colours are on there?
Blue, yellow. Kuha tayong torch.
That's white
Kasi pag
board.
pumunta
Get the
tayo
battery
ng,
ones.
Hey?
ng toilet.
These are good. These are good.
How about this one, Han? The little one, Han?
No, these are good.
These are what you want. You can charge it.
No, these.
Oh, so is it charger? Yeah.
It's only a little one.
Yeah, it's alright. That will do, Han.
It should come with a charger at the back.
It's alright. That one.
USB.
Yeah, that's USB para hindi tayo bili ng battery.
Pay for this now. This thing.
Get 2 of that one, Han.
Yeah,
One,
one.
alright.
How big do you want?
Gusto niya kumuha ng electric fan.
Probably this one just sit on you when you get, you put the fan on you.
Yeah, okay.
What's that one like?
What's the size?
I think that.
I think this one. That's, I think,
80.
yeah.
Come here, hold.
80.
8 inch? Okay. Yan yung si Sak. Doon na naman siya kay Army. You really like Army, Zach?
No, it just look. It's a camo.
Ah, what?
It's camo.
Camo. Oh, it's a camo though, guys.
It's cool in here. It's good in here. Come on.
Ayan. Upuan niya, guys. Oh. Come on, let's go. Come on, Kuya.
Come on,
Where's Dad?
I don't know. Okay, come on.
Oh, there's Dad.
You found it, babe? Tapos na, guys. Bayad na tayo. Ang hindi namin nakuha ay yung parang matte na grass ang look. Oh, kumuha siya ng lollies. Gusto ko to. I like this one. Minties.
Yes.
Yes.
I love those.
Yeah.
Georgia gave me one of those.
Alright. Sabi niyang, bili raw ako ng chinelas, guys. Isda. Ang cute man nito. Bless you. What's that, love?
We know those.
Yep.
You guys have a nice day.
Thank you. Okay, we're done here. Sila Kylie tapos na rin. Doon na sila nailagay na nila sa car.
At night.
Ayan, puno na naman yung ating car. Magsiswimming sila, guys. Okay, balik na tayo sa Caravan Park.
Yeah, you just.
Holly.
Yeah.
Balik tayo sa Caravan Park. Then, kami ni Kylie, after namin ma-drop off sila, hindi pala kakain pala kami ng ano. Magbe-breakfast muna kami, guys. Breakfast? Anong oras na? Kain muna kami, guys. Then, after namin kumain, punta kami ng IKEA. Ang init, ang init. Tapos na silang kumain, guys. Ayan. We're going. Yeah. Ayan. Punta siya dyan, oh. Nandun na yung ibang bata. Si Sophie andun na. Okay, we have to go. Alis na kayo ni Holly. Ay, ni Holly, ni Kylie. Ayan na yung kanilang. Yes. Gamit na nila yung mga upuan. Ayun yung kay Sak, oh. Wait, Baba, ha? And listen to Kobe, okay? And ginawa ko ni Kylie ng peanut butter sandwich. May kinukuha lang si Kylie, so kain muna tayo. Kami ni Kylie, guys. Gamit namin yung car niya. Car nila.
Pretty easy to get there.
Nandito, guys, yung mga bata, oh. So, pool. Kami ni Kylie, punta kami ng IKEA. Si Jan tsaka si Joe, papunta na rin sila dito. Si Kobe ang nagbabantay sa kanila. Ayun, oh. Ay, there. Hi! Hi, Baba! Mommy's thingy. Picture and video. Ayan si Holly. Daddy and Joe are coming. Laking pool. Very nice. Okay, punta kami ng IKEA. Punong-puno etong holiday park na to, guys. Hindi naman holiday, pero punong-puno sila. What more pa pag holiday? Wala na. Punong-puno.
Tell me who you see, 'cause I